that's not good. I'm pretty sure that's the wheel speed sensor. That's one of the most common faults on this car. A Volkswagen owner's best tool is an OBD11 because it's breaking down all the time. Okay, it is confirmed to be the left rear wheel speed sensor, ABS wheel speed sensor, according to my OBD11, and let's go fix it. I don't think it's an expensive fix. Apparently it's just really common among European vehicles, but it has happened to my cousin's Mercedes as well. He's driving a W205 C-Class, and his one was worse because he can only drive up to 30 kilometers per hour. Volkswagen is not so strict, you know. If your wheel speed sensor is broken, it's not as bad. You know, you just get some Christmas tree dowels and many things don't work. Let's see, I don't know what's the P, but adaptive lights don't work. Some steering thing is not working. ABS is not working. Traction control is not working. Tire pressure monitoring is not working. And what else? I think the cruise control will not work. Many things, but you can drive faster than 30 kilometers per hour. So let's go and fix this. So as soon as I drove out, it's gone. It's now gone. I don't know if I should fix it now. Oh, everything else works. Auto hold is now working. Man, these are just like 21st century car things. Like, you know, it used to be that if something is broken, it's definitely broken. Now we have electrical faults and weird things that don't make sense. You know, intermittent signals sometimes can just fix itself. Since I'm going to the workshop, I'm just gonna drive to the workshop and see if the problem still persists when I reach there. It still runs pretty good. Cover that, give it a little bit of food. The roads, gonna put it in comfort, ease it down this road. Oh, it's back! It's back! Putting it in comfort has... oh my god. Okay, I get up. Okay, I'm gonna change the sensor. Well, I guess that answers the question, right? Will it come back? And it's definitely coming back. Everything's coming back! Cool cars. Do I need spaces? Okay, so there's an Audi R8 here, really cool car. There's an RS4 over here, really cool as well. But the thing that gets me most is this little Beetle. Alright, I'm gonna show you. Like, it put a huge smile on my face when I saw it. There's a little flower! Oh my goodness, when I saw it in front, like that. It was so cute. Like, Beetle owners are just the happiest people in the world, don't you think? So we've just replaced our sensor. $115 before GST and $123 after. Oh, I guess the fix was so quick that I didn't need this ticket after all. So I have a free ticket. I'm almost home, so that's all for now. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking this video. You know, it helps out a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.